All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching as always. I appreciate it. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, like, and share the videos. I appreciate that very much as I'm just getting the channel going. And also, don't forget to enter my $25 Bitcoin giveaway, free to enter. And you'll find the information in the description of the giveaway video. So don't forget to do that. So I'm going to go over Cirquity and how to GPU mine it. I'm on Cirquity's webpage here, cirquity.com. I'll leave that in the description of the video. They say it's a private cryptocurrency. Cirquity is a private, fast, secure, and easy way to send money to friends and businesses, allowing you to be your own bank. About Cirquity, a summary of the project and why we're doing it. What is Cirquity? Our coin is based on CryptoNote technology and using Cryptonite Turtle algorithm implemented on Turtle coin, which is ASIC resistant. Our goal for Cirquity is to be used on any aspect of transactions globally. Why is Cirquity is created? Mainly because there are many limits when sending money, making transactions in different currencies or different banks and countries. The cost is high and you have no control over it. However, using Bitcoin involves non-secure or non-anonymous transactions. What are we doing? With the blockchain-based cryptocurrency Cirquity, transactions will be faster, private, and secure. Unlike Bitcoin, Cirquity transactions are anonymous by implementing light blocks to reduce the size of our blockchain, allowing normal users to participate in our network without having expensive equipment, thus building a CIRQ pay system with a minimum transaction cost to allow everyone to pay and make comfortable and fast transactions. Having a community-focused blockchain, Cirquity is owned by everyone, allowing the decentralization of the currency. What makes it different? Fast transactions. Cirquity is creating blocks every 30 seconds as opposed to every 10 minutes. Your money travels 20 times faster. Cirquity is a decentralized cryptocurrency. Every transaction is private by default. Mining is easy. Cirquity comes with its own basic CPU miner, and you can also use other mining software or mining pools. Made with love. Cirquity is open source. If it's not made with love, at the touch of love, everyone becomes a poet. Cryptonight-Lite algorithm. 1 trillion coin max supply. Goes out to 2 decimal points. 30-second block time. 25 emission speed factor. Retargets at every block. And the ticker is CIRQ, no pre-mine. Here are the windows. I'm using Microsoft GUI. And here's their timeline. So January 2020, they just started. Woke up, I decided that I want to create a secure payment platform, a new currency, and Cirquity was born. Pool and Explore, January. The wallet came out in February. Looks like they're on a couple exchanges. Mobile wallet coming soon. CIRQ Pay. We are already initialized the development of our payment service to allow e-commerce sites and other developers to integrate Cirquity on their applications. Be a part of our story. And here's their partner, LTC Gaming Solutions. Some resources, the blog news. Block Explorer, main pool, and social media links here. Let's click on blog news, see what's going on over there. So here's their partnership. I'll go over that really quick. I'm just doing a brief overview of the project, not getting into any technical aspects of it, just for the purposes of mining. Here's their partnership. We were able to get a change to talk to this company and get them aboard on this project. side by side to integrate Cirquity in their fun gaming platform, giving us a large audience to make Cirquity cryptocurrency known in the fun game betting environment. Okay. Let's go over to Twitter, see if there's anything there worth looking at. Looks like they're just listed on CryptUnit. Listed on CoinDex. So if you want to buy some or sell it, looks like CoinDex. Also listed on Nano Exchange. And here's their partnership announcement. Alrighty, let's go back. Oh, that's the pool. We'll get to that in a second. Let me get back to the main page. Let's go over to their Discord and see what they have over there. And not much here, really. Just a general page and announcements. Nothing listed in announcements. So, pretty new project. More on the speculative mining. If you're going to do it. Here's their Bitcoin talk. Really not much there. Pretty much says the same thing as their website. And I'm not seeing a white paper here. So a really speculative coin to mine if you're interested in mining it. So here I'm on, let's go to the pool actually. Here's the pool, pool.cirquity.com. I'll leave that link in the description. And you're going to be clicking on getting started. Is the pool addressed here. Cryptonite V11, which is Cryptonite-Lite. I'm going to be using this port here. Pick the one that applies to you. And let's go to Simple Mining. You can see I'm mining it now, but let's go to group config real quick. So you're going to be using, you can see I'm mining it here. You're going to be using xmrig-Nvidia. Here's the command line. -A. After that, you want to put the algorithm you're mining, Cryptonite-Lite in this case. And -O. After that, you're going to be putting the pool address and the port. And -U, you're going to be putting your address, public address here, or your receiving address, as they call it. This is mine. Obviously, you want to put yours in there. -P is password, and that is just X. So pretty simple command line. That's what I like about CryptoNote. And let's go back to rig list. And as you can see here, I'm currently mining and I'm getting jobs and I'm getting shares. Accepted, accepted, accepted. Those are all shares. So the command line does work. And I do not have my overclock settings to CryptoNote right now. This is why it says Equihash here. It's just my overclock settings, but you want to overclock it according to how you want to do it. And obviously do that at your own risk. So I hope that helps. I hope that gets you starting. If you're interested in doing some mining on Cirquity, let me know. Have you heard of the project? What do you think of the project? Have you mined it before? Let me know in the comment section. I would appreciate it. And if you have any questions or comments, or if you have a project you want me to look into to GPU mine and review, leave that in the comment section. And don't forget to enter my free $25 Bitcoin giveaway. That's ending in 10 days. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe, like, and share, and all that good stuff, and just getting the channel going, and I appreciate it very much. So until next time, happy